Hi, my name is Wendy Myers of MyersDetox.com. I get sent a lot of products, a lot of beauty care products that different people want me to endorse or put my name behind because I'm a huge fan of using all natural, organic skincare products to prevent toxins from entering your body through your skin by using conventional products. There's so many products on the market that have toxins in them, they have synthetic fragrances, they have ingredients in them that cause health issues in your body, they interfere in your hormones, and long term they cause weight gain and all these other hormone imbalances and different issues that you obviously don't want, the antithesis of beauty. This company, Annemarie Skincare, sent me a box of goodies. It looks like a really huge box. I wasn't expecting this size box from them. I asked them to send me some samples so I could introduce it to my audience and talk a little bit about their products. I've been using these products for about a year, and I've used thousands of products. You name it, I have tried it, and I love these products so much. I can't even tell you. They're organic. They use wild-crafted ingredients. They use essential oils for the fragrances. The texture and the fragrance of these products is it's just heavenly. I crave putting them on my skin every night. Let's see what they sent me. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe the number of products that they sent me. This is so exciting. I can't believe it. They have sent me this rosemary peppermint body wash. This is so heavenly. It's so refreshing. The peppermint essential oil that's in it, when you put it on your body, it gives you this really fresh feeling, tingly feeling in your skin. I'm so happy right now. This cute little pump right here. They also sent me this interesting, I haven't tried this before, Beauty Blend Tea. Really excited to try that. Combines notes of organic yerba mate, skin beautifying herbs, and age-defying fruits. Interesting. Ooh. And they gave me this coconut body oil. I love this. The coconut oil has been changed a little bit so that it stays in a liquid form, and it has some lavender essential oil in it. So this smells so good, you have no idea. And it's really deeply moisturizing to your skin. When I have really dry skin or on my feet, I put this on my feet every night, on my knees and my elbows. Oh, this is unbelievable. This is the phytonutrient cleanser. This is something I love this cleanser so much. There's so many different essential oils in this product. I mean, look at this list, all these amazing organic essential oils. I put this on my face in the morning and it's just so rejuvenating. It really wakes me up, and I leave it on my face during the entire shower. Just the smell is just so good. Oh, so we have this wild fruit serum. This is just an unbelievable product. They can only make it in really small batches because they use wild fruits in the production of this. So they harvest wild fruits. And look at this ingredient list. It's so long. I want to just read you a couple things they have on their website. The key ingredients they have in this are apple extract, so it has malic acid and vitamin C, Madonna lily plant cells, cacao plum extract. I mean, just all these unbelievable fruits that they put in this, and the smell is absolutely divine. You put this on, it's just the ultimate in luxury, and it just brightens your skin, it refines your pores, it has all these antioxidants that nourish your skin. I'm so addicted to it. This is like my crack right here. I love this so much. Also, it's an anti-aging eye cream. My grandmother used a cucumber scented lotion, and this also has cucumber extracts in it. So when I use it, I always think of her. And I just love the cucumber smell, and it doesn't get into your eyes and like make your eyes sting or water like a lot of eye creams do. You put it on and the cucumber extract reduces puffiness, and I just love this eye cream so much. I use it every single night. Oh my gosh. So they also have given me this citrus stem cell serum. I just love this stuff also so much. It's citrus stem cells. And these help to brighten your skin. They have peptides in them. They have antioxidants and amino acids that help to regenerate your skin faster. So you have younger looking skin when you have faster cell turnover. That's why they put plant stem cells into beauty products. They really help your skin look really, really nice. And this is another serum that you can put on. I go back and forth. Like one night I use this under my moisturizer, the plant stem cells under my moisturizer, and the next night I use the wild fruit serum under my moisturizer. So I just love these products so much. This also has an absolutely heavenly smell. Has this citrusy smell too. I love it so much. So we have the Neroli Toning Mist. This is my absolute favorite smell. It's a Neroli essential oil. So it's orange blossom. And so this is amazing. So you just spray it on your skin like this every night. I'm gonna ruin my makeup here, but I don't care. This smells so good. I'm just completely addicted to smell. So you use a toner after you cleanse your skin to rebalance the pH of your skin, and then you apply your serum and your moisturizer. That's what this is used for. Oh, they gave me this Kylan Micro Exfoliant. This is amazing. It's really important to exfoliate your skin. So if you've got dry skin, blackheads or whiteheads or acne, especially as you get older, your skin cells have a slower turnover rate. So you're more likely to get clogged pores because of that, and you've got to exfoliate and slow away the dead skin cells. So this is a great all-natural micro exfoliant. There's so many products on the market that use these little plastic beads. They call them micro exfoliant. They're plastic beads. Those get washed down the drain and into the ocean, and then fish eat them and die. They're really, really toxic for our environment, so I urge people to avoid any kind of exfoliant product that uses microbeads. Don't want that big no-no. Ooh, so we also have this Aloe Herb Cleanser. This is a different type of cleanser. It uses lemon essential oil. It's got aloe as its base, so it's very healing. And it has a calendula extract, which is also very healing, very calming for inflamed red skin. This is a fantastic product. Ooh, they also have this anti-aging facial oil. I love this facial oil. I use it every night. They use pressed broccoli seeds, chia seeds, and goji berries. So they have all these oils in a jojoba oil base. I've become like an expert on these products. There's so many more products in this box. I can't even believe how generous the company was with me, but I started using the products about a year ago and just bought them myself online. Just wanted to try something new. I'd seen an email about them and was really blown away by the quality of the products. The packaging is in all recyclable materials. Such an eco-friendly company. Just amazing ingredients. The smell is unbelievable. They do the job as promised. They give you just youthful looking skin, reduced wrinkles, more youthful appearance, refined pores. They reduce age spots. I mean, this is my absolute favorite product line right now, and I've used so many different products. I highly recommend them. Click on the link below to learn more about them, and they have trial size gifts that you can get. When you go on the website, they've got all different kinds of trial sizes depending on your needs and the needs of your skin, whether you have sensitive skin or mature skin. So many different options of products for everyone. These are totally safe. I allow my daughter to use them because you really want to be careful about what you're putting on your skin. Toxins can enter your body through your skin and cause all kinds of different health problems. You don't have to worry about that with Annemarie. This natural, organic skincare. Highly, highly recommend it. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.